Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to deal with the boundaries of popliteal fossa, and here we begin. Here is a picture depicting the boundaries and the content of popliteal fossa. As we already know that we have four boundaries of popliteal fossa: superior medial, superior lateral, inferior medial and inferior lateral. Okay, so here we go for a mnemonic by which we can memorize these boundaries. Mnemonic for lateral side is BPL. Here B presents bicep femoris which forms superior lateral boundary of popliteal fossa, and P and L forms inferior lateral boundary of popliteal fossa. Here P stands for plantaris and L stands for lateral head of gastrocnemius. And then we have another mnemonic SMS, which is for medial side of popliteal fossa. Here S and M stands for semimembranous and another S stands for semitendinous. And these two, semimembranous and semitendinous, form superior medial boundary of popliteal fossa. Then M also stands for medial head of gastrocnemius, which form inferior medial boundary of popliteal fossa. That's all. Thanks for watching.